Hi, Joe here from Scarff Ford and Isuzu, and today we're going to talk about this awesome 2014 Toyota Highlander Limited Platinum. Let's dive in. For 2014, it was all new, completely redesigned. And you might ask, why does that matter in 2026? Well, for people like me, I buy all my vehicles used, so when I'm doing my research for a new car, it's usually a new used car, and I'm reading old archived reviews to find out product information. So I'll help you out with this one. We're going to dive in and talk about this 2014 Highlander Limited Platinum. So the Highlander is a mid-size crossover with third row seating. Very competitive market. You're competing with like the Ford Explorer, our own product, the Nissan Pathfinder, the Kia Telluride, the Hyundai Palisade. All very competitive, all very good vehicles. But the Highlander, it seems to do well no matter what. It's been around for close to 2 decades, and it dominates the market segment for reliability, excellent resale value, packed with features, and nice styling as well. While Toyota might play it safe as far as styling and features go, they do it for a reason. It might not be as edgy and exciting as the competition, but it more than makes up for that in reliability and dependability. This example has 93,000 miles on it, but man, it looks and drives like it has half that many miles. We take a lot of vehicles here on trade. You know, we're a new car dealership and we sell a lot of used cars, so we see vehicles in all states coming in on trade. And I can tell you, a lot of vehicles that are over 10 years old of 93,000 miles on them, more often than not, they have too many problems for even us to put them through our shop. We're gonna just center the auction, let some secondary used car lot on a gravel lot sell them, because we don't wanna sell problem cars here. This is not a problem car. This is a local one owner, clean Carfax vehicle in beautiful shape. A family on a budget looking for a dependable, reliable third row seat crossover. Can't afford a new one. New ones like this are like $50,000, $60,000, but on the pre-owned market, you can find nice 10-year-old examples like this, still in great shape, in the mid $20,000 to low $20,000 price range. We have a powerful V6, 3.5 liters, workhorse engine for Toyota. It pumps out 270 horsepower. More than enough power for this vehicle. Nice front-end styling, easy on the eye. Being the limited platinum model, this is loaded with almost every available option you can get in 2014, including a power liftgate. We got the all-season mats, the cargo area protector. We also got these cargo area protectors that goes on the backs of the third row seats, so when they're folded down, it won't mess up the carpeted portions. Second row captain's chairs. You can fold them all down flat, turning into a cargo van. Very comfortable second row captain's chairs. Plenty of space back here. These are kind of like the Goldilocks, where a compact is just too small for a lot of people. A full size like a Sequoia or own product, the Expedition, is just too big for a lot of people. The mid-size like the Explorer, this Highlander, it is perfect for growing families. You got third row seats. You can fold down the seats for more cargo space. This has nice, comfortable second row captain's chairs. I'm over 6 feet. I got a lot of space back here. I'm very, very comfortable. I can recline the seats. Man, I can take a nap back here. If it gets too bright out, I have these integrated sunshades. We have this big pano roof to allow lots of natural light inside, so when it gets too bright out, we can get some fresh air, some sunlight. It might be beautiful now, blue skies, but guess what? Fall's around the corner. Those dreary, overcast days are gonna be here soon. And when it's dark and dreary out, the more ambient light you can have coming in is just gonna elevate your mood and make you happier. Of course, one of the best seats in the house is the front. We got the Highlander kick plates. Look how clean it is in here. Like I said, this thing is in above average condition for the miles. Heated and ventilated front seats. All-wheel drive, we have a locking differential, downhill descent control. Obviously, you're not gonna go, on super duper trails, but light off-roading, forest service roads, gravel, dirt roads, things like that are no problem for this Highlander. Ooh, it's hot out there, 91 degrees. Cooled seats are nice. The AC blows ice cold. Got navigation. It might look like it's flickering, but that's just a frame rate in the GoPro camera. It's perfectly fine. Backup camera. Great sounding JBL audio system, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener. This thing drives really nice with a powerful V6. It's quiet, it's smooth, it handles nice. It's actually a really nice driving vehicle, surprisingly nice driving for a vehicle this size. I mean, you'd always expect the mid-size crossover to be fun and entertaining to drive, but I definitely enjoy driving this, and I'm in the car business. I drive all sorts of fun cars. Well, thanks for joining us in this walk-around video. This is gonna make a wonderful family crossover SUV at an affordable price point. We're a Scarff Ford and Isuzu. In business since 1922, we sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety of pre-owned vehicles. We have over 100 used cars in stock at the time of making this video. We have vehicles at all sorts of price points, all very nice condition. We've been in business since 1922 for good reason, by selling quality new and used pre-owned vehicles to our community. We don't want to sell problem cars. We don't want to sell old, leaky, problem-used cars to our community. We want to sell nice vehicles that are in above average condition, which is definitely a case for this Highlander. We'll see you next time.